Book of Heaven, Volume 2, July 31st, 1899. Intellectual Communication. The mouth remains mute. Jesus came also this morning, though always in silence. But I was most content as long as I had my treasure, Jesus, because by having him I had all my contentments. In seeing him I comprehended many things about his beauty, about his goodness and other things, but since it was all through the intelligence and by means of intellectual communication, the mouth is incapable of expressing anything, so I let it pass in silence. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.